else is super duper excited for this Girl Boss collection. Like literally so beautiful. I love the range. I love that Revel Nail went with a non-traditional route for a fall collection. They didn't go with gem tones. They didn't go with like the green, the mustard, the burnt red and everything. I mean, they nailed that last year, so why repeat it again this year? I really do enjoy the range that they went with. They went like with dark, muted tones that I think really do scream fall worthy, and then can even transition really well into winter. And the message behind the collection is what gets me and hits home so hard. Like so many girls in the Revel Nail customer community group, which I think you should go join if you're not already in it, have shared their girl boss because stories, and they're so touching and like it makes you want to cry when you read them, but you're just like, these women are strong. These women have gone through so much in their life and they're willing to keep pushing and keep doing more. So if you are a girl boss because of whatever your reason is, make sure to share your story in the comments and hashtag girl boss because you should share your message and let the world know why you're a girl boss, and then also treat yourself to this collection because it's absolutely beautiful. Without further ado, here are the 6 colors that are coming in the Girl Boss collection. 3 of them are solids and 3 of them are glitter shades, and they're an absolutely gorgeous and large range, and I think they're perfect for anybody, whether you're working in a professional environment or you're working from home. So I'm going to take you on a journey to show you off every single color of the Girl Boss collection. The first one being Empire, and it's a beautiful dusty color in the background with purple glitter all over, and it's absolutely stunning when it's swatched. The next color is Legacy, and it is a gorgeous light champagne color. It goes great whether you glitter ombre over it over a solid color or use it all by itself. Next is Gold Digger, and it is the perfect pinky nude to keep things completely professional and beautiful and flawless. Like think of this like the perfect interview color. You want to make a statement at the office and completely just get away from the light pinky nudes, DEFY is your girl. It's the way to defy all the odds and be completely bold and different. I was fortunate enough to try out this color before the launch, and it is a beautiful gray purple. I know it looks gray in the jar, but it has purple undertones. This color has to be a personal favorite of mine from the entire collection because it just really goes against everything. It is a black color, it is a bold statement color, but it has that gorgeous pink glitter in it, and it just totally sparkles and makes you just look at that. Just look at the sparkle. I'm in love with this color so much, and I think it will look amazing on so many ladies.